Hello everyone, me Kingshuk Chakraborty, Assistant Professor of Mallo Institute of Technology. Today I will discuss about BLDC motor. As the name implies, BLDC motor means brushless DC motor. In today's life, application of BLDC motors is various. It uses in automotive, aerospace, consumer, medical, automotive, industrial equipment and instruments. Why we use BLDC motors? Because of some advantages. For its higher efficiency and reliability, lower acoustic noise, smaller and lighter, greater dynamic responses, better speed versus torque characteristics, higher speed range and longer life. These are the types of motors. Electric motors can be divided into two parts, DC motors and AC motors. In DC motors, there is a commutator and homopolar. In commutator, there is a permanent magnet type and wound field type. In AC motors, there is a synchronous motor and asynchronous motor. The BLDC motors means brushless DC motors is nothing but a part of a synchronous motor. There is some differences between brushed motor and brushless DC motors. In brushed motors, there is a brushes are present in the motors and commutators are also there. This is the permanent magnet. In brushless DC motors, this is the rotor parts, which is permanent magnet, and this is the stator part, which is supplied by the DC sources by using these switches to make it just like a AC type. So this is nothing but a inverter. Why do BLDC motor turn? As the name implies, brushless DC motors do not use brushes. With brushed motors, the brushes deliver current through the commutator into the coils on the rotors. So how does a brushless motor pass current to the rotor coils? It doesn't, because the coils are not located on the rotors. Instead, the rotor is a permanent magnet. The coils do not rotate but are instead fixed in place on the stator. Because the coils do not move, there is no need for brushes and a commutator. With the brushed motors, rotation is achieved by controlling the magnetic fields generated by the coils on the rotor, while the magnetic field generated by the stationary magnets remain fixed. To change the rotation speed, you change the voltage for the coils. With the BLDC motor, it is the permanent magnet that rotates. Rotation is achieved by changing the direction of the magnetic fields generated by the surrounding stationary coils. To control the rotation, you adjust the magnitude and direction of the current into these coils. These are the electric driver circuit. These are the control switches by which the direction and the speed can be controlled, and this is the DC source. By using PWM techniques, we can control and the direction of BLDC motors. This is the single phase H bridge and this is the 3-phase H bridge electric drive circuit. For advantages of BLDC motor, electronic switches replaces the mechanical device. There is another advantages are a BLDC motor with 3 coils on the stator will have 6 electrical wires, 2 to each coil. Extending from these coils, in most implementation, 3 of these wires will be connected internally, with the 3 remaining wires extending from the motor body, in contrast to the 2 wires extending from the brushed motor described earlier. wiring in the BLDC motor case is more complicated than simply connecting the power cell's positive and negative terminals. We will look more closely at how this motor works in next part. One big advantage is efficiency, as these motors can control continuously at maximum rotational force. Blast motors, in contrast, reach maximum torque at only certain points in the rotation. For a blast motor to deliver the same torque as a brushless model, it would need to use larger magnets. That is why even small BLDC motors can deliver considerable power. The second big advantage is related to the first is controllability. BLDC motors can be controlled using feedback mechanism to deliver precisely the desired torque and rotational speed. Precision control in turn reduces energy consumption and heat generation. And in cases these motors are battery powered, lengthens the battery life. So BLDC motors also offer high durability and low electric noise generation. Thanks to the lack of brushes, with brushed motors, the brushes and commutator wear down as a result of continuous moving contact and also produce sparks when contact is made. Electrical noise in particular is the result of strong sparks that tend to occur at the areas where the brushes pass over the gap in the commutator. This is why BLDC motors are often considered preferable in applications where it is important to avoid electrical noise. This is the ideal applications for BLDC motors in air conditioning household appliances like ventilation fan, air cleaner, and information and communication and industrial apparatus like PC, server, projector, and power supplies. Here you can see that this is the uses of BLDC motors in our cars. In there is a BLDC motor used in our cars. This is the references. Thank you.